Do you know the difference between XML, JSON, and YAML formats? So all these three different formats are used for storing data as well as for data transmission. Okay. So basically, when talking about XML, it's a tag-based markup language. As you can see in the example provided, so employee tag has been started, and at the very end, it has been closed actually. Okay. And within that, the name you can see, the department you can see, the skills you can see, everything is starting and closed actually. So everything resides between a starting tag and a closing tag. So this is purely a tag-based markup language and document-centric data. And when coming to JSON, it's standard for web APIs. As you can see here, it is a key value pair kind of thing. Okay, so JSON is the default standard for web APIs, and it is easy for machines to parse this JSON format. And when coming to YAML, as you can see, no complex syntax or something. It's a kind of key value pair, but it is easy for humans to read actually. And it is perfect for situations like configuring some configurations in the configuration file, environment files, etc. Okay, thank you.